Hello friends, welcome back to EcoPlants. Today I will show you how to grow lettuce step by step, whether in pot, container or directly in your garden. Lettuce is one of the most salad vegetable in the world. It is light, crunchy, refreshing and very healthy. The best part is that lettuce is fast growing and you can start harvesting within a few weeks. By the end of this video, you will know everything from choosing the right variety type of lettuce and planting, caring, harvesting and even extending the growing season. Lettuce is a leafy vegetable mainly used in salad, burger and sandwich. There are four main type of lettuce. First is leaf lettuce and second is romaine, third is butterhead and fourth is crisp head. Leaf lettuce loose leaves and grow quickly, great for beginners. And romaine is long upright leaves, crunchy texture, and butterhead soft tender leaves, and crisp head from a tight head need cooler temperature, climate and season. Lettuce prefer cool weather, ideally temperature 10 to 20 degrees Celsius. Best growing season is spring and fall. In hot climate, lettuce tend to bold flower and leaf turn bitter. For summer growing, use heat tolerant varieties and partial salad and partial shade. Choosing seeds: buy high quality seed from a trusted source. Choose variety according to your climate. Cold climate, iceberg or romaine, and warm climate like leaf lettuce or butterhead. Mix different varieties from continuous harvest. Soil preparation: lettuce love soft, loose and well-drained soil. Soil pH between 6 to 7 and add compost or organic matter to enrich the soil. Raised bed or pot are excellent for growing lettuce. Sowing seed: lettuce seed are very small, do not bury them too deep. Plant depth just 1/4 inch, like 0.5 semi, and spacing is leaf lettuce spacing 6 inch apart and romaine is 10 inch apart and iceberg is 12 inch apart. You can sow directly in the garden or start in seed tray and then transplant. For containers, choose at least 6 to 8 inch deep pots. Sow seed every 2 weeks for continuous harvesting, watering and fertilization. Watering: lettuce had shallow roots, so it need frequently light watering. Keep soil moist but not overloaded. Dry soil with make lettuce bitter. Fertilization: use a nitrogen rich fertilizer like compost tea. Feed every 2 to 3 weeks for less green growth and care and maintenance. Thin seedling to avoid overcrowding. Mulch with straw or leaf to keep soil cool. Provide partial shade in summer to prevent bolting. Remove weeds carefully to avoid disturbing roots. Pest and disease: common pest is aphid, slug, snail and caterpillars. Solution is neem oil spray for aphids or beer traps or crushed eggshell for slug and snails. Disease is downy mildew and leaf spot. Avoid overhead watering and ensure good airflow. Harvesting lettuce: leaf lettuce start harvesting in 30 to 40 days and romaine and iceberg ready in 60 to 80 days. And harvesting method is cut and come again. Harvest outer leaves, let the center leaf keep growing. Second is full head harvest: cut the entire plant at soil level. Harvest early morning for best freshness. Storing lettuce: wash gently and dry before storing. Wrap in a damp cloth or paper towel and keep in refrigerator. Use within 7 to 10 days for best taste. Some extra tips for you: growing lettuce in succession for continuous harvesting, and combine lettuce with carrot, radish or herb as companion plants. Avoid planting lettuce near cabbage or broccoli. They are complete for nutrient. So friends, this was the complete guide to growing lettuce step by step. Eat fast, healthy and perfect for your kitchen garden. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to EcoPlants for more gardening tips. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. Happy gardening.